Exporting leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator can help you manage your prospects and integrate them into your CRM for further engagement. Here's how to export leads. Access Sales Navigator. Log into your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. Use Advanced Search to find leads. Use the advanced search filters to find the leads that match your criteria, such as job title, company size, industry, location, and more. Once you have applied the filters, you will see a list of leads that fit your target audience. Save leads. As you browse the search results, click the Save as Lead button next to relevant prospects. This will save the lead to your lead list for easy access. Export leads via LinkedIn integrations. LinkedIn Sales Navigator does not have a native export feature for downloading leads directly to a CSV file. However, you can use CRM integrations such as Salesforce, HubSpot, or other supported CRMs. To export leads, sync your Sales Navigator account with your CRM. Once synced, your leads will automatically be added to your CRM, where you can export them. Third-party tools. You can also use third-party tools or browser extensions that integrate with LinkedIn to scrape and export lead data.